Hi folks, Tim here again from High End Cheap Tech. As you know, I have a Mobile G3 and I highly recommend them as a good budget phone to everyone. And they are on sale over at Amazon. Those links will be in the description below, by the way. But for those who have already purchased one and are interested, they put out a wireless update today. I noticed that on my phone late today. And I'm sure this will be for the new G3 and the G3 Plus, being the basic hardware and software the same. The only difference is the battery. It's got one minor bug fix, which they didn't elaborate on, and two, it's got a security update to the January 5th security patch for Android. That's all I have for today. So as usual, subscribe, click the bell ding if you want to get notified, and give us a great big thumbs up. Other than that, have a great day. Just trying to keep everyone informed.